Fabio Scozzoli, who retained his 100 breaststroke title yesterday, winning to double up here in the 50. Fastest qualifier, Peter John Stevens of Slovenia. His father is English, which explains the name. She won silver in the 50 breaststroke at the 2016 European Championships behind the great Adam Peaty. No 50 breaststroke at the Olympics, of course. Stevens, very fine swim. We actually led it halfway in the 100 breaststroke final. Couldn't sustain it on the second length. 50 breaststroke, definitely his strongest event, Stevens, and he'll be hard to stop today. Kaba Siladi of Serbia, he took the bronze 5 years ago. He took the silver in yesterday's 100 breaststroke. He was second fastest in the heats. Just heard Scozzoli announced. He's in lane 3. There is Peter John Stevens, fastest qualifier. And the favourite is men's 50-metre breaststroke. Last few seconds to go before we get underway here. There is the fastest qualifier, Peter John Stevens. Just one length of the pool, the 50-metre breaststroke. Good start from Scozzoli in 3. Peter John Stevens in 4. Looks to be Stevens just in front. Very tight though at the front. Good start also from Hüseyin Saksi of Turkey in lane 6. Into the final few metres. It's going to be very close to call this one. I think Stevens might be there. And Kaba Siladi as well. Very, very tight. Who's going to get the gold? Camera went to Fabio Scozzoli there for a split second, and it is, it's Scozzoli who adds to his 100 breaststroke title. Gold again for Scozzoli, this time in the 50. Very, very tight on the wall there. Need to see a replay of that. There is the start. Scozzoli did make an excellent start. Just thought it, Stevens and the Turk Saksi in lane 6 had just moved ahead of him, but Scozzoli came back late on. All about timing that touch right, and he was perfect at the end. Didn't glide into the finish. Didn't have to chop his stroke. Timed it to perfection. So it was Siladi who got the silver, just missing out on gold again, and Peter John Stevens for the bronze. Just 7/100ths of a second separating the top 3. Very, very tight indeed. But it's another gold for Italy.